most frequently asked question that we get in our workshops, classes, and even when we're out and about is, how do I get started with a garden? There are three main hints that I want to convey to you. Number one, you really want to spend time in your garden. Whether it's your front porch with 2 or 3 pots, or it's some stairs with trellises and waterfalls coming down at the side, or you're going into a large forest, start spending time there. It's really good for your mental health, and it will make you plan a much better garden when you get to know the spot very well. Secondly, I want you to draw a plan. People are very resistant to this, especially adults, but we're not looking for something from Michelangelo or Bosco Holder. We're just looking for a little plan of where your garden is right now and where you want to go. You're going to draw a basic layout of what's there right at this time and then go wild with your future garden, drawing all the features you'd like to see. It doesn't mean that you're going to end up with them, but put that in your plan and really allow yourself to dream. And then the third thing is community, community, community. Join an online group. Go to your extension office. See if there are any gardening clubs in your neighborhood. Talk to the gardener down the street, the person who has that wild and crazy garden that seems to be just full of life. Build your community of humans while you're building your garden.